Unraveling the Idiom. Feeling the splash. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're going to explore a not-so-common but vivid phrase, feeling the splash. Stick around as we unfold the layers of this expression, its meaning, and how you can use it in your daily conversations to add more color to your English. Feeling the splash isn't a phrase you'll find in every textbook. At first glance, it evokes images of water, perhaps someone jumping into a pool or a sudden rainstorm. However, this phrase metaphorically extends beyond literal water splashes. It's about experiencing the indirect effects or repercussions of an action or event. Just as when someone dives into a pool and the water splashes onto those nearby, feeling the splash means you're feeling the effects of something that you weren't directly involved in. While the exact origins of feeling the splash are hard to pin down, its use is somewhat niche and creative. It's not tied to any specific origin story but has evolved in conversational English to convey a sense of experiencing side effects or aftermaths. Example in everyday conversation. Imagine your friend got a promotion, and as a result, they invite you to a celebration dinner. You're feeling the splash of their success through the invitation to a joyful event. Example in literature and media. A character in a novel might say, "When the city decided to renovate the old theater, we all felt the splash with the noise and the crowds." Here, feeling the splash refers to experiencing the indirect consequences, the noise and crowds, of the theater's renovation. Integrating idiomatic expressions like feeling the splash into your language practice can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Here's how you can start. 1. Contextual practice. Write sentences using the phrase in different contexts, such as personal achievements, community events, or changes in the workplace. 2. Conversational use. Try using the phrase in conversations, especially when discussing news or events and their broader effects on a group of people or a situation. 3. Creative writing. Incorporate feeling the splash into a short story or a journal entry. This will help you understand the metaphorical use of the phrase in a narrative. Feeling the splash is a vibrant expression that adds depth and creativity to your conversations, illustrating how we can be affected by the actions and events around us, even if we're not directly involved. We hope this exploration inspires you to embrace and use such expressions in your English language journey, enriching your vocabulary and making your communication more engaging. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find yourself mastering the art of English expressions with ease and confidence.